Make a great choice today with the 2007 Lucerne. This large front-wheel drive sedan is a quiet and refined cruiser. It comes with soft suspension, which results in a plush, absorbent ride. It is contemporary in appearance and available with all modern-day features. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, entertainment package, four-wheel disc brakes. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.